DIGBITS viewers, welcome back to Rugeley in Staffordshire, where it's all done. It's all done here, mostly where we make our General Purpose Rake Buckets, which we're here to show you today. Unpainted at the moment, so you can actually see the rawness of it and the weld between the Hardox tines and the standard steel that we use in the ribs. But now it's what they're used for, or mostly what they're not used for. A lot of customers will use these for the aerating and breaking up of compact soil, removing weeds and brambles and brash, de-stoning topsoil, cleaning debris from ditches and levelling ground for landscapes. They are tough and adaptable, so can be used, I would have thought, for many more things what people do with them. They're 100% UK fabricated, no imports, no sub-assemblies and no compromise at all. When you do, if you do purchase one of these, or when you purchase one of these, you do have the option, if you can see my hands there, of the different size of gaps that you can have. We do a 50mm gap or a 75mm gap for an option, and that will depend on, obviously, personal preference. There isn't one more popular version than the other. It's pretty much 50-50 that we do, but it's just basically for strength and the debris throw which you would require for the job. The top tube is hot finished seamless tube, known in the industry as HFS. This is formed by piercing red hot solid steel billets, creating the tube that you can see on the top here, consistent and incredibly tough. Now, back to the business end of it, the Hardox tines here. These are Hardox 450 wear plates, and these are what does set us apart, and these apart from competitors. The price, you'll see if you go elsewhere and have a look at prices, we justify why our prices are different to the others. Although they look alike, they're not the Hardox 450 tines. We tested these. What did we test them at? Using a 50-ton press. You can go online and follow the link to see the example that we did this live, as it were, which will confirm what pressure that did bend at. But that was the 50 for the Hardox, which you can visually see there, the difference, which speaks for itself. So like I say, you can have a look, follow the link on the description. We made these on site in the Midlands here, over the road, so they're all handcrafted with care and quality for our customers. And go and buy one. If you don't want to speak to me because you've seen enough of me waffling on, speak to another one of the team, the sales team, and they will be able to get you sorted out in a week at the most, if they're not in stock already. The reason that sometimes there is a wait is because we can't make them quick enough, and we'll try and deliver within the time frame. So enjoy your new toys.